Good morning, dear children of class 9. So, in the class we are already on exercise 1A, 1B, and we have already discussed about relative atomic mass. So, today we will be doing relative molecular mass, or which is also called molecular weight. Molecular mass, relative molecular mass is also called molecular weight. So, what is relative molecular mass or molecular weight? How will you define it? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of the constituent atoms present in one molecule of that substance. That means the mass of molecular formula. The mass of molecular formula of a substance. Okay, the mass of molecule of a substance. The mass of molecule of a substance. In short, the mass of molecule of a substance is called molecular mass. And how do we represent molecule? We represent molecule using molecular formula. That means what are the atoms present in particular molecule can be known by knowing its molecular formula. So, for molecular mass, what is important? For molecular mass, molecular formula is important. So, sometime molecular formula will be given to you, and sometime molecular formula is not given to you. It is simply asked to find molecular mass of particular molecule without giving molecular formula. So, it is your duty, it is from your side that you should know molecular formula, and in some it will be given also. So, it is the sum of all the atoms. Okay, it is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of a substance is its molecular mass. Now, today we will be learning how to calculate relative molecular mass. So, relative molecular mass, we are finding relative molecular mass of copper sulfate crystals. Since it is said crystals, you must be thinking that okay, copper sulfate is USO4 only. But since it is written crystal, so crystals is because of this water. Okay, and this water, this is a hydrated salt. This water molecule is integral part of the molecular formula. Okay, this is the integral part. This is not from outside, it is the integral part of molecular formula. So, copper sulfate dot, how do you read this? Copper sulfate dot 5H2O. This is copper sulfate pentahydrate. What is the chemical name? Copper sulfate pentahydrate. Now, given that the relative atomic mass is given. Copper is 63.5, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1. Now we will be finding relative molecular mass of copper sulfate crystal. So let's do relative molecular mass of copper sulfate crystal. What is the formula? CuSO4.5H2O. You have to find this. So, how will you do this? Is equal to, how many copper atoms are there? 1. How many copper atoms are there? 1. So, 1 into, what is the mass of copper? 63.5. 63.5 plus, after writing number of atoms into atomic mass of that atom, you will be writing plus. Copper plus, sulfur plus, oxygen plus, hydrogen plus, oxygen. So, or you can do this as a water molecule as a whole. So, plus, then this is sulfur. How many atoms of sulfur are there? Only 1. So, 1 into, what is the atomic mass of sulfur? 32. 32 plus. Now, oxygen. How many atoms of oxygen are there? 4. So 4 into, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. 16 plus. This is water molecule as a whole. So this will be easy if you do it separately. Plus, what is the number of molecules? 5. So right here, 5. And inside the bracket, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2. So 2 into, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So 1 plus. Oxygen? 1. So 1 into, what is atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So 16. This way. This is done. Then 1 into 63.5 is 63.5 plus 1 into 32, 32 plus 4 into 16, 64 plus 5. 2 into 1, 2 plus 16. Then it is 63.5 plus 32 plus 64 plus 5 into 18. 5 into 18. Then it will be 63.5 plus 32 plus 64 plus 5 18s are 90. 5 18s are 90. Then you just add and write 0.5. Then 0 plus 4 plus 5 2 6 plus 3 7. 3 plus 5 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9. This is 9. And then 6 3 9 9 plus 6 15 15 plus 9 24. So 2 4 9. And molecular mass is also represented by A and U. Molecular mass, atomic mass is also represented by AMU, and molecular mass is also represented by ANU. So this is the way how you calculate molecular mass. So hope you will practice. First of all, what you do is you practice from the examples that is solved in your book, and then you try to do the unsolved one. So this is the way how you find molecular mass of copper sulfate. Then if you have to find molecular, find molecular mass of magnesium sulfate. If you have to find this, then how will you do? What is the formula? MgSO4. So what do you do? Solution, relative molecular mass of magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, is equal to, what is the number of magnesium? 1. And what is the atomic mass of magnesium? 24 plus 1 into sulfur is 32 plus 4 into oxygen is 16. Then it is 24 plus 32 plus 64. Then add 4 to 8 plus 4 to 6 plus 4, 10. 2, 3, 5, 6, 11 and 1, 12, A and U. Yeah. So relative molecular mass of magnesium sulfate is 120 AMU. This is the way how you find molecular mass. So let me repeat, what is molecular mass? What is molecular weight or molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the constituent atoms of that molecule. Is its molecular mass. Now we will be learning another thing, that is percentage composition. What is that? Percentage composition. 1.12 is your percentage composition. Percentage composition. So what is percentage composition? Percentage composition of a compound is the percentage by weight of each element present in it. That means how much of a particular element is present in a compound. For example, I am writing magnesium sulfate. So in this magnesium sulfate, what is the mass of magnesium alone? What is the mass of magnesium alone? Is percentage composition of magnesium in magnesium sulfate. So what is percentage composition? The percentage, the mass of a particular element in a molecule is its percentage composition. So similarly, what is the percentage of sulfur in this compound? For example, if you consider mass of this magnesium sulfate as 100, mass of this magnesium sulfate as 100, then what percent is sulfur? What percent is sulfur? For example, total mass is 100. Total mass is 100. Okay, total mass. Say for example, you appeared for an examination of maths. Total mass is 100. Then how much you got? How much you got out of that 100 is your percentage. That means either you got 60% or 40% or 30%. That is your percent out of 100. Okay, that is your mass out of 100. Similarly, what is the percentage of oxygen in this compound? Considering this as 100%. What percent is oxygen? That is its percentage composition. Now let's learn how to find percentage composition of an element. So what is the formula for that? Percentage composition of an element. Percentage composition of an element in a compound is equal to total weight, okay, total weight of the element in one molecule divided by molecular mass of the molecule. Molecular mass of the molecule. Into 100. This is the formula. So if whatever process, say for example, if you have to find magnesium in magnesium sulfate, then magnesium in magnesium sulfate. In place of element, you will be writing magnesium. In place of compound, you will be writing magnesium sulfate. Is equal to total weight of magnesium divided by molecular mass of magnesium sulfate into 100. Now let's learn how to do this. So we will be doing an example. Calculate percentage of calculate percentage of hydrogen in water. Say for example, this is the question. Calculate the percentage of hydrogen in water. So how will you calculate percentage of hydrogen in water? What is the formula? This. But first of all, what you should know? You should know molecular mass of water. So you will find a relative molecular mass of water. What is the formula for water? H2O. Relative molecular mass of water is equal to what? How many atoms of hydrogen? 2. And what is the mass of hydrogen? 1. Plus how many atoms of oxygen? 1. What is the mass of oxygen? 16. Then you will be getting 2 plus 16, that is 18. That is 18 AMU. So what is the molecular mass of water? 18. Out of this 18 AMU, what is the percentage of hydrogen? What is the percentage of hydrogen? We are finding that. Now do like this. Percentage of hydrogen in water is equal to, what is the formula? Total weight of the element in one molecule. So what is the total weight of hydrogen in water? How many atoms of hydrogen are there? 2 into. What is the atom mass of hydrogen? 1. So this is the total mass of hydrogen in water. This is the total mass of hydrogen in one molecule of water. So that you will be writing as a numerator. And in denominator, molecular mass of water, that is 18 into 100 into 100. That means you will be getting 2 into 100 by 18. 2 into 100 by 18. Then how much you will get? Yes, you will be getting 11.1111. 11.1111%. 11.1111%. So percentage, that means hydrogen, percentage of hydrogen in water is 11.1111%. This way also you can do, or you can do considering, let's say for example 100 gram of water contains 2 by 18 into 100 gram of hydrogen, that is 11.1111. So don't go for confusion. Use this formula for finding percentage of element in a compound. So hope you will be doing, and if there is any confusion, you let me know. If there is any confusion, you let me know. Okay? So every week, once in a week, we will be coming in online. This one using Teachment. Okay? So log into Teachment. Okay? Enroll yourself, and whatever is your problem, you are welcome to write through WhatsApp, or you can chat in that online chat also if there is any confusion. Thank you.